QLX3 is a social network who can set you free financially, and I'm going to explain you why, right now. Quantum Leap Network is going to be part of the exclusive International Credit Union. But first, let's explain shortly what a credit union is, explained by the Wikipedia Encyclopedia. A credit union is a cooperative financial institution that is owned and controlled by its members, in our case, you. Credit unions differed from banks and other financial institutions, in that the members who have accounts in the credit union are the owners of the credit union. Credit union policies, governing interest rates and other matters, are set by a volunteer board of directors, elected by and from the membership itself. Only a member of a credit union may deposit money with the credit union, or borrow money from it. As such, credit unions have historically marketed themselves as providing superior member service and being committed to helping members improve their financial health. So, active QLX3 members will have the opportunity to join the exclusive International Credit Union, deposits, yielding 1% a day. This is an opportunity too good to be missed. To be best informed concerning QLX3, you should listen very carefully. Quantum Leap, QLX3, is a mission-driven social networking group much like MySpace, but with a real purpose behind it. The advantages of simply being a free member is that you can network with a membership base and promote any business or program that you want. This alone will be valuable and will always be available for all members, even if you never upgrade. If you do upgrade, you will also be eligible for their compensation plan and be invited to join their private affinity group, the Oxford Privacy Group. There are also numerous benefits here, but the biggest one of all is the exclusive membership into the International Credit Union. This is where my main interest is. And believe me, your time is now. Once again, you can listen to the calls for all of the details, but the biggest benefit for all members of the credit union is that we will be able to make deposits into our accounts and earn substantial interest rates, estimated to average about 1% per banking day compounded daily. And to have that entire deposit insured, that means no chance of losing our money. The credit union is only allowed to accept 9,000 members. The charter group is already filled with 3,000, they are filling up the preferred group now, and when that's filled with 3,000, they will move to the last group. Charter members, limited to 3,000 members and close since a few months, can have deposits insured up to $50,000, and can increase that as they go. The charter was the first, preferred is the second group. There isn't much difference except the join fee and insurance coverage. The interest earned on your deposits is the same. Non-charter members will only have deposits insured for $5,000. They will pay for any additional insurance. This is one of many benefits you can have as an International Credit Union member. That's why you have to act now. The high-yield dreams that a lot of people have chased one way or the other on the internet all have a downside. High risk. This one is real. There will be no risk. You will be able to review and confirm your insured deposit when you make the deposit to your credit union account. If you are not seeing this yet, take this example. A $1,000 deposit earning 1% compounded daily, 5 days a week, means 22 days a month. In approximately 21 months, you would have $100,000. At that point, you could withdraw an average of $1,000 a day and never touch your insured deposit, or take out less and let it grow. For example, you could simply withdraw $100,000 per year and leave the rest to grow. In 24 months you would have over $5 million. It only grows from there. The credit union will also offer loans at very reasonable rates. You could take a $20,000 loan against your deposit and pay the small competitive interest rate, and earn the larger interest rate on your deposit. You would actually make money from your loan as you repaid it, and the loans are not taxable income. Does this give you any ideas? You have to pay tax on any income you bring into the United States, but not on loans. They are not considered income. They will also offer a full line of insurance, life, health, etc., etc. To members only. There will be many benefits to being a member of the credit union. That is the main thing I want from all of this. The way to get it is to join Quantum Leap. Then listen to the calls to get more educated. You will see how to get in line to be a member of the International Credit Union. What to do now? Well, join QLX3 for free first. To do so, just click the link of my website below, or type www.qlx3.member/positive blue/flash_intro.html. But my personal advice is, to benefit fully of the Oxford Privacy Group with a membership of Credit Union International, you should join right now, and upgrade as soon as possible. Remember, the preferred group is going to be complete very soon and will leave you with less choice of benefit. Click my link, and see you inside.